I've always loved to build things. But not everything I built turned out quite right the first time. Which is okay, because half the fun is rebuilding.
Spud, come back!
It gives you the chance to try something new. The chance to create something better. Something that might just change the world someday. Or even a world millions of miles away.